this is Ben, and today I'm going to share a review of this Evenflo car seat. I'm going to give you our pro and con experience and some other info about it, hopefully help you make a decision on whether to get it. So we've had this for quite a while now. Originally, we were looking for a new car seat, did some research, looked around at different reviews, different price points, and settled on this one, and have been really, really happy that we got this one. Honestly, I can, get very annoyed with certain car seats when they're not well made and hard to get the kid into and just don't set up very easily and take out very easily. And this one's hits all the things that I wanted. So first of all, it's very cushy, very easily adjustable for the kids. So it feels really good for them. I love that it has cup holders, so it's very easy to give them what they want and have snacks and things. And super easy to get in and out of the car. Very easy to set up. Very easy to change cars with it. And also really easy to put our child in. Some of them, kind of don't work as well or feel like if the kid's fussing at all, it makes it harder to get them in. This one's just really easy to do. So we've been really, really pleased with it. Honestly, it's been working great. There's been no negatives at all. Very nice looking too, very easy to clean if you ever need to. And we've been super pleased. So would highly recommend it. It's been great. And I hope this was helpful for you. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.